Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, click on Settings and scroll down. Now select Sound and over here click on the switcher next to Also Vibrate for Calls to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. Then you have to scroll down, click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, tap on Press Power and Volume up together, and over here you can select Vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, click on Advanced, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to Touch Vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!